Ever wondered what those strange noises in your HVAC system mean? At Smart HVAC, we understand that unusual sounds can be more than just a nuisance. They could indicate serious issues. Let's explore this mystery. A banging or clanking sound might mean loose or broken parts in the compressor. A hissing noise could signal a refrigerant leak, while squealing often points to worn fan belts. Buzzing usually indicates electrical issues. Addressing these symptoms early can save you time, stress, and money. Not only do timely repairs prevent major breakdowns, but they also enhance energy efficiency and extend your system's life. So, listen closely to what your HVAC is telling you and contact a professional if you hear anything unusual. Restore your peace of mind and keep your HVAC running smoothly.